Welcome to our guide on how to control access and responsibilities within expense reports in Docket. Efficient management of expense reports is essential for accurate financial tracking. Docket offers 3 permission levels to control access and responsibilities within the expense reports feature. To view permission levels, click on Settings from the top navigation menu and go to Business Employees. Scroll down to select permission levels for expense reports. Expense reports permission levels: none. No access to expense reports. Participant. Users with this level can create and submit their expense reports. They can upload expenses, track their submitted reports' progress, and view their reports. However, they cannot access or manage other users' expense reports. Admin. Users with this level have complete control over the expense reports data. They can view, edit, and manage all reports, including those of other users. They have the authority to approve or reject expense reports and can submit reports on behalf of other users when needed. And there you have it. You have now learned how to control access within expense reports. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.